Social media and AI are rewriting the rules of democracy. But are they empowering us or controlling the narrative? First, social media. It gave everyone a voice, but algorithms now dictate what we see, shaping opinions before we even reach the ballot box. Then there's artificial intelligence. It's not just about deep fakes anymore. It's about predicting voter behavior with terrifying accuracy. Imagine campaigns that know your concerns better than you do, tailoring messages instantly to sway your vote. We are shifting from a debate of ideas to a battle of data supremacy. The future of power isn't just who wins, it's about who controls the code. As AI integrates into governance, transparency becomes our most critical asset. In this digital age, staying informed is the only way to keep democracy truly human. Thanks for watching. How do you think AI will change your next vote? Let us know in the comments.